All right, Skip. That conduit coming up out of there was broke. I was able to dig down here underneath the new slab. And make the repair like this. Not a UL listed repair, but it's a repair. So as long as I could get the wire through this, as long as this tape kind of holds that back together, I just put a coupling over it. And then I'm taping it up. Hopefully it holds to get the wire in. And then the conduit goes up above the concrete right there. So hopefully I'll let you know if the wire goes in. Talk to you, bye.